Hi, my name is Jeremy Sirkin with Executive Tree Care. Today we're in Gladwin with Hans from New Jersey Crane Expert and Jake Riggs, a certified arborist and state champion tree climber. We're here to do a storm damaged tree. It was compromised in such a manner that it was unsafe for it to stay in the position that it was, so we're here to remove the remaining parts of it. So we brought Hans in today to consult our operation to make sure that we're doing the right thing, safely setting up, safely executing our picks.
Put together a game plan in terms of knowing what our variables are, what our factors are in terms of using the crane, in terms of how far away we're operating from, you know, what size of picks we're going to be taking, how many picks we're taking, and then being able to calculate and understand what types of weights we're going to be manipulating. I'm Hans Tielman, lead instructor and founder of New Jersey Crane Expert, and I'm out here with Executive Tree Care, demonstrating proper rigging when it relates to cranes. One of the biggest things when it comes to cranes and rigging for trees is that there's a lot of different applications out there as it relates to what types of slings that we use. Some people like to use flat slings, some people like to use round slings, but one of the best slings that you can use is going to be a spider leg sling or a 3-leg bridle sling. And the reason why we want to use that is because what it does is it adds a third element of control, a third axis. And ultimately what we want to accomplish is to minimize movement as much as possible to reduce dynamic force. And one of the biggest things that we come across is that a lot of climbers don't know how to properly tie. So what we're going to do is we're going to have Jake go up in the tree, secure those slings in the proper position to get the most balance and control over that load, and show how to terminate that using a specific type of hitch. There's a few different options available. What Jake is going to be demonstrating is the cow hitch and also a timber hitch.
I'm Jake Riggs. I'm a climber. I'm a third-generation climber, certified arborist. I pretty much am within the tree, and my main workforce is all throughout the canopy.
Blue one or my shorty. The safety in here. I start setting my first line of the chokers. Since we're taking so much counterweight, it's fine to go a little bit lower on that top. So we're worried about the tip weight. I'm just going to back this up with the Morrow, just because all that pressure isn't put on just one knot. Finish this up with a cow hitch. But primarily, this will be the most aggressive pick. Pressure point up here because of that wood down there. This one I'm just going to cap off here because that little redirect I'm taking in this union will take a little bit of that stress off. Be able to counter a little bit more. All right, put yourself down. Put standard here. Standard cow hitch. Mainly all equally tensioned up, which the main one's going to be up on that right. So give me 1 second. I'm going to finish this tie off. All right, you can start picking up, cable up to see this tension. Are you up? Yeah, what do you got on this? Okay. I I'd like to initially put maybe 1,000 pounds on it just to see, because these are brand new slings. I just want to get a little bit of tension out of them. Maybe get that milk. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So there's a couple dead tips up here, dead tips on this maple, and a little dead branch here. But I think we'll have enough on the counterweight where it's not going to move anything. And you're still good for what? Nice. So I'm thinking somewhere down towards that lateral branch down below me. And we'll go from there.
I would say easier for a greenhorn or a novice ground person or person on the ground helping out is able to recognize a knot as opposed to a reverse shackle, which we traditionally used for so many years.
Thank you for watching. I hope by having this demonstration, it gives you some idea of how to properly and safely secure those loads. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below and like and subscribe. I really want to take a second to say how grateful I am to be working with Executive Tree. They're a very good customer of ours, and they really believe in safety and having me come out and do some consulting for them as it relates to how safe they are on the job site.